To help support writing in the classroom, Showbie allows you to add your own blank documents into any assignment so that your learners can write directly onto them. This can be supported with our class sets of Scriva pens, styluses that you have within each of the primary schools. To do this, you're going to go to the plus icon on your assignment, choose Create Document. Here, you will see you've got a lot of different options. So first of all, you can give your document a name. You can then choose the orientation of your page, and you have a few different styles to choose from. If you choose, first of all, the lined page, it will then give you an option of spacing. So you can choose to have different spacing for different pupils as the needs are. You can also choose how many pages to give them. We all know that it can be overwhelming when you're given many pages of blank pages to start writing with. However, some learners might need those, some might not. So you can choose how many pages you give to each of your learners too. In here, as well as your lined pages, you can also choose musical notation. You can use graph paper for maths and numeracy, and you can use dotted paper. All of these have their own different options to choose from. If we just go ahead and add a lined page into here, again, you can choose over here, as everybody knows, with the Everyone button, you can choose who in your class can get this. But then you've got a lined piece of paper ready to write on. Using your Scriva pens, your learners can just start writing directly onto this. For those of you without Scriva pens or styluses, any styluses in your classrooms, there is still the option to add text boxes straight onto this document. But the benefit of this is that it allows you to reduce the amount of paper used, still practice some handwriting if you do have those styluses, and you can be monitoring and feeding back on their work as they go without needing to interrupt them or take away their paper. This also gives you the opportunity to add some little voice notes if they need a little bit of inspiration or if they get stuck. Or it may just be that your learners want to be able to look back at what they have done when they get home, maybe share this with family members, or just simply think about what they have written and what they might start on next when they come back into class.